So we're out here today on a closed course, and we're going to be showing you guys the difference between the braking power of a factory RSX-Type S braking system and then upgrading every single braking component on the car. We're gonna do the TL-Type S Brembo brake caliper upgrade on the front. We're gonna be doing braided stop tech lines all the way around the car, and we're gonna be flushing all of the factory fluid out, or whatever fluid may be in it, with Motul 600 fluid. So, before we do all that, we've got to test the factory system. We're going to do all the brake tests at 55. All right, here we go. And I'm going to push in the clutch and only use brake power. Oh, that brake fade though. That was pretty good.
86 feet.
86 feet, okay.
$85.1 feet.
So 3 feet better? What was the first one?
1 foot better.
1 foot better, okay. Oh. Where we at?
90.9.
Okay, so 86, 85, and 90.9. And I can confirm the brakes are, we could fry an egg on the brakes right now. Okay, so that was a pretty successful brake test for the stock RSX Type S system. So now we're gonna head home and we're gonna install all of the upgrades plus the Brembo setup. And you guys can check out the full install video by clicking the card, and in that video we show you exactly how to do the Type S Brembo upgrade for the RSX. So now that we've done that, it's actually been some time since we installed the Brembos, but that's kind of a good thing. Do a rundown of everything that we've done. We installed the TL Type S Brembos on the front. We put semi-metallic pads on it, just normal OE style pads you can pick up from the parts store, nothing special there. And we put Stop Tech braided brake lines all the way around the car. That is the only thing that we have done to the car in this rendition of the brake test. So, but since then, we've made a trip to Atlanta and went to IA. Super fun. And I also had to make a very quick trip down to Florida, which was over 800 miles of road driving on the interstate, on some back roads and things like that. So we have fully bedded in the front and rear brake pads to the brand new rotors, because we put brand new rotors all the way around as well. Now that all that's been done, we're back out here, very similar conditions. It's not a super hot day, it's nice and clear, and so we are now going to see how short of a distance it takes for the RSX to come to a complete stop. Accelerating to my cruising speed, 4th gear, and holding, clutch in, and brake. I think that was the best one so far. That was 72 feet. I know that's better, because I think one of the tests we did, we got like 89 feet.
Yep. All right. 2 more.
Going again. So funnily enough, the old brakes and the pads got worse the more we did this. These seem to be getting better. Very consistent. Very consistent. 69.2 feet. Again, pretty much the same as the last hit. It's really good.
Okay.
I mean, that's really great. In conclusion, at a steady 55 miles per hour with no other aid from the car, the OEM RSX-Type S braking system stopped us at an average of 87.3 feet. Once the Brembos from the TL Type S were swapped in, that average dropped to a very consistent 70.06 feet, which gives us an improved stopping distance of 17.26 feet. That's half the length of a school bus. These brakes were designed to stop a car that weighs an average of 3,600 pounds, and we've just installed them on a car that has 2 less doors and is 800 pounds lighter. Your mileage may vary based on your pad material, whether or not you decide to upgrade your brake lines, or your brake fluid type. Road conditions and weather can also drastically affect your stopping performance, so please keep that in mind. All in all, we are very satisfied with the results and could not recommend this upgrade enough. But remember, just because you can stop on a dime doesn't mean everyone else on the road can. Just ask our friend Ben.
We had a little mishap. Ben hit his brakes rather suddenly. I hit my brakes also rather suddenly to not hit Ben. And the person behind us did not have Brembos. So now I have this. Like I said, my car is slowly being destroyed as we drive across the country.